Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will cover how to replace your MacBook Air 13 hard drive and how to install um, macOS operating system and start from scratch. First of all, you will need a USB flash hard drive and download macOS to this hard drive or create a bootable USB flash hard drive. So you can start with that. After downloading and copying the macOS operating system into a portable USB flash drive, um, go ahead and turn off your Mac. Once the Mac is off, flip it. Then bring a screwdriver 1.2 and start unscrewing and start removing the screws one by one. Make sure don't lose any of the screws because it's tiny and small. Once you remove all the screws, which are 10 screws, lift up the panel. After removing the panel, the cover, make sure to disconnect the battery. As you see, here is the hard drive. You will need a T5 screwdriver to remove the screw. After removing the screws, make sure to carefully detach the hard drive, the old one, and bring the new hard drive and insert it. Spot. Secure the hard drive by using the screwing the hard. After securing the hard drive, connect the battery again. Put the panel back to where it's belong and start securing it. After that, open your Mac, bring the USB, the portable one that you created earlier, put it in. Hold the option button, then hit the power on button and keep your finger on the option button for a while until it reboots. Somehow it takes me to the internet recovery. So I'm gonna choose my internet. Enter your password. Let's connect. Then hit internet recovery. Now it's starting the recovery from the internet. It may take a while. Now an OS X utilities just appeared, so um, we're gonna do reinstall an OS. Hit continue, continue, continue again. You have to agree to their terms and conditions. Agree, install. As you see, this internet recovery, it may take a while. Actually, there are many options that you can use um, to clone your MacBook, your old one, to a USB drive through the time machine. Well, that's a backup. Now we go to disk utilities. Click continue. Choose the new hard drive.